Guys!
Okay, so medyo napagod yung last performance ng Servants, pero
Talagang effort talaga sila.
so medyo, kulang kami ng practice. So, kulang na lang 2 oras. So, gagawin na lang po namin this afternoon is mag-joke lang kami.
Talaga nakayanan natin eh.
Mag-joke lang kami, pero may request kami. Pwede bang, mag-react kayo? Okay? Please, yun na yung request namin, kaya may reaction namin. Ay, tawagan lang namin yung unit servant kasi Brother Joseph. Okay, sisimulan na po namin ang jokes namin. Joke number 1. Yes, Brother.
Paano ba simulan ito? Sige na. Pwede mag-English? Yeah!
Yes!
Sige, first question. How do you measure a snake? How do you measure a snake? Louder, please. Okay.
Paano?
Yes. They don't have teeth.
Ganon?
I don't understand.
They measure the snake, but cannot use the feet, right? Like 5 feet like that one because the snake no feet. So they use inches.
I see.
Right? 5
Yeah.
feet like that one, right?
Yeah.
But if they go and
Because the snake don't have feet.
they go and measure the snake, they use inches, not feet.
I see.
What does a house wear? A dress.
You understand?
I can't hear her. Like,
Check naman.
Yes.
what does a house dress?
Yes.
And the answer is a dress.
Yeah, a dress. They go and the house go and wear the dress. A dress means they ask. You understand that one? How the house dress means
yeah,
a dress.
I understand.
Sige, sino na? Tita Sheila. Ano daw?
Ano?
When someone, listen carefully. When someone needed a boat meet, what did the people in town say?
What?
We know a guy.
I don't get any of this.
Sige, sige na Roma.
Oh, ito.
Last ka na lang. Ako na po.
Which book of the major prophets is the easiest to understand? Which? Yes.
Isaiah?
Yung nakoy mo po. Which book?
Isaiah? Which? Ezekiel? Ezekiel ha. Ezekiel pala.
Sige, last na. Last na. Sige. Well, what did Adam say to Eve when handing her something to wear?
What?
Okay. Take it or leave it.
Thank you, Jupano! Take it or leave it. Halip na na.
Galing. Very good.
Ako, meron ako isa.
Okay, what?
Why is 8 afraid of 7?
Why?
What's the name?
Why?
Because 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I hope everyone has enjoyed
really celebration there is.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, celebration. I hope kahit nakaupo lang tayo, did we enjoy also?
Of course.
Yes!
Yeah, and at this point, we would like to